Vivint Thermostat. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to install Vivint Thermostat. The process is simple, just follow me till the end. First, turn off the power to your HVAC system at the breaker before starting for safety. Remove your old thermostat carefully, noting and labeling the wires so you can reconnect them correctly. Then attach the Vivint Thermostat's mounting plate to the wall. Connect the wires to the correct terminals as shown in the Vivint's installation manual. Once the wiring is secure, snap the thermostat onto the base, restore power at the breaker and turn the thermostat on. Follow the on-screen setup prompts to connect it to your Vivint Smart Hub or application for remote control. Now test your system to make sure heating, cooling and scheduling all work properly. And that's all. That's how you will be able to install Vivint Thermostat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.